Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering the top-selling products on Amazon. I am thrilled to have you join us today as we delve into the world of parts products, showcasing the best of the best. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional mechanic, or simply someone looking for reliable parts, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the most popular, best-selling parts products that have captured the attention and trust of countless customers on Amazon. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to explore the finest parts available. Without further ado, let's dive into our exciting countdown and unveil the top performers that have set the market abuzz. Let's go! Introducing number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling parts on Amazon, the SEALIGHT H139008 bulbs. These are not just any bulbs. These are the ultimate game changers for your driving experience. Imagine driving at night and suddenly, everything becomes crystal clear. That's what you get with these bulbs. The SEALIGHT H139008 bulbs deliver a whopping 22,000 lumens of 6,500 K diamond white light. To put it in perspective, they can illuminate up to 14 basketball courts. Your visibility is enhanced like never before, turning those dimly lit roads into a beacon of safety. But it's not just about brightness. The SEALIGHT bulbs are designed to give you a better night driving experience. Their color temperature closely mimics natural light, significantly reducing visual fatigue. You'll see road signs clearly without blinding oncoming traffic, thanks to the innovative SEALIGHT focus chip. Durability? These bulbs are built to last. With advanced 3075 chips and a state-of-the-art temperature control system, they boast an impressive lifespan of up to 60,000 hours. Plus, the high-efficiency cooling system ensures that they stay bright and reliable for years, lighting up not just the road ahead, but also those tricky ditches on the sides. And here's the best part. They are incredibly easy to install. No need for ballasts or complex wiring. Just twist out the old bulb, unplug it, twist in the new one, and plug it in. Done. We even include a pair of white gloves to keep your hands clean and avoid getting oil on the new bulbs. Compatibility issues? Not with SEALIGHT. The built-in intelligent IC device and CSP chips make these bulbs anti-flicker and compatible with 98% of vehicle systems. They're CAN-bus ready, meaning you can just plug and play without worrying about flickering or error codes. So if you're looking for a massive upgrade in visibility, a better night driving experience, unparalleled durability, and hassle-free installation, the SEALIGHT H139008 bulbs are your perfect match. Transform your driving experience today and see the road like never before. Now, at number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling parts on Amazon, we present the AR Pro Dirt Bike Replacement Inner Tubes. Picture this. You're out on the trails, hitting those thrilling jumps and navigating rough terrains, and then a flat tire. Nightmare, right? Not with AR Pro's 2-pack heavy-duty replacement inner tubes, designed for 14-inch outer diameter tires with a 10-inch rim and tire widths between 2.5 to 2.75 inches. These tubes are your ultimate riding companion. These inner tubes are versatile and fit a wide range of dirt bikes. Whether you're tearing up the track on a Honda CRF50, Suzuki DRZ70, Yamaha PW50, or even a Razor MX 650, these tubes have got you covered. A tire is only as good as its inner tube, and with AR Pro, you'll be ready for any flat, front or rear. Made from 2 mm thick butyl rubber, these tubes are built to endure. They're shock absorbent and have self-sealing properties, meaning they prevent explosive punctures. Yes, you heard that right. They offer the peace of mind you need, especially when safety is paramount in extreme sports. But it's not just about durability. These tubes excel in impact absorption. Every bump, dip, and jump is handled with exceptional performance, ensuring a smooth ride both on and off the road. You can ride with confidence, knowing that AR Pro's inner tubes will cushion every impact. And here's the cherry on top. AR Pro stands behind their products with a US-based customer support team. They are always ready to assist you, ensuring your satisfaction with every purchase. If for any reason you're not happy, help is just a call away. So gear up with AR Pro's dirt bike replacement inner tubes and make every ride a smooth, worry-free adventure. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily rider, these inner tubes are designed to keep you going. Ride hard, ride safe, and trust AR Pro to handle the rest. Our journey through the best-selling parts on Amazon brings us to number 3, the Mighty Max YTX4L-BS 12V3AH motorcycle battery. This is not just a battery, it's the heart of your ride, ensuring power, reliability, and performance every time you hit the road. Imagine your bike roaring to life with the push of a button, ready to take on any adventure. That's the power of the Mighty Max battery. Delivering 50 cold cranking amps (CCA), this sealed lead-acid (SLA) battery is engineered for excellence. Its compact dimensions, 4.40 inches by 2.90 inches by 3.42 inches, make it a perfect fit for a variety of motorcycles. High discharge rate? Check. Wide operating temperatures? Check. Long service life and deep discharge recovery? Absolutely. This battery is designed to perform no matter the conditions. Whether you're riding through the scorching heat or the freezing cold, the Mighty Max battery maintains its high performance, ensuring your bike starts smoothly every time. Versatility is another standout feature. This rechargeable battery can be mounted in any position, making installation a breeze. It's spill-proof, shock-resistant, and vibration-resistant, providing peace of mind even on the roughest terrains. You can trust this battery to stay steady and reliable, no matter where your journey takes you. However, it's not just about raw power and durability. The Mighty Max YTX4L-BS battery is all about delivering long-lasting performance. It's built to last, giving you more rides and fewer worries about battery replacements. It's the reliable partner your motorcycle deserves. So, whether you're cruising down the highway, tackling rugged trails, or just enjoying a weekend ride, the Mighty Max battery ensures your bike is ready to go. Dependable, powerful, and built to withstand the elements, it's the perfect choice for any rider looking to keep their motorcycle running at its best. Gear up with the Mighty Max YTX4L-BS 12V3AH motorcycle battery and feel the difference in every ride. Reliable power, exceptional performance, and the confidence to conquer any road. Mighty Max is your ultimate riding companion. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling parts on Amazon? Well, don't be a spare part like subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss out on the ride. Next up, at number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling parts on Amazon, is the powerhouse of performance, the Weize YTX20L-BS high-performance power sports battery. This isn't just a battery, it's a marvel of engineering designed to keep your adventures alive and kicking, no matter where the road or trail leads you. Imagine this: 12 volts of pure, unrelenting energy, 300 cold cranking amps ready to fire up your engine in the coldest mornings, and a robust capacity of 18 amp hours. The Weize YTX20L-BS battery is the epitome of reliability and power, meticulously crafted to ensure your motorcycle, ATV, UTV, or snowmobile performs at its peak. But it's not just about power. The dimensions, 6.89 by 3.43 by 6.1 inches, make this battery a perfect fit for a variety of vehicles. Weighing in at 12.8 pounds, it's built to last, offering a solid and dependable source of energy. And with the terminals thoughtfully placed, negative on the left, positive on the right, installation is a breeze. Ensure your measurements align, and you're good to go. What sets this battery apart is the absorbent glass mat (AGM) technology. This means maintenance-free operation with low self-discharge rates and a long cyclic life. Whether you're hitting the rugged trails on your ATV, cruising on your motorcycle, or plowing through snow on your snowmobile, the Weize YTX20L-BS delivers consistent, high-efficiency power. And here's the kicker: it's designed to replace multiple models, making it a versatile choice. Compatible with Honda TRX 684 Trax Rincon, VTX 1800, Goldwing GL 1800, and more, it's a reliable fit for a wide range of power sports vehicles. Worried about support? Don't be. Weize stands behind their product with a 30-day return policy and a 1-year warranty. If Amazon can't handle the return, the Weize support team is ready and waiting to assist you directly. Quality product, backed by quality service. So, if you're in the market for a battery that combines exceptional performance, durability, and hassle-free maintenance, Look no further than the Weize YTX20L-BS. It's more than just a battery. It's the heart of your adventure, ready to power your next journey. Choose Weize and ride with confidence, knowing your vehicle has the best power source on the market. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the #1 best-selling part on Amazon. We proudly present the Weize YTX4L-BS high-performance, maintenance-free sealed AGM battery. This isn't just a battery, it's the pinnacle of power and reliability for your ATV, motorcycle, or snowmobile. Let's dive into the details. The Weize YTX4L-BS delivers 12 volts of robust energy, 210 cold cranking amps (CCA) to ensure your vehicle fires up in any weather, and a capacity of 12 amp hours to keep you going longer. Its dimensions are 5.28 inches in length, 3.50 inches in width, and 6.54 inches in height, with a weight of 9.02 pounds. The terminals are perfectly positioned, positive on the left, negative on the right, making installation straightforward. What makes this battery truly exceptional is the advanced absorbent glass mat (AGM) technology. This means it's not just maintenance-free, but also spill-proof and vibration-resistant, delivering consistent performance in all conditions. Whether you're racing through the trails on an ATV, cruising on your motorcycle, or zipping across the water on a jet ski, this battery is engineered to handle it all. The Weize YTX4L-BS is versatile, fitting a wide range of vehicles. It's perfect for Polaris Sportsman 570, Trailblazer 250, Ranger 400, 500, Suzuki King Quad 300, Quad Runner 250, and many more. It's compatible with various engine displacements from Arctic Cat, BRP, Can-Am, Honda, Kawasaki, Polaris, Suzuki, and Yamaha. This is a battery designed to meet diverse needs with unmatched reliability. Now, let's talk about convenience. This battery arrives fully charged and ready to install right out of the box. No initial charging, no maintenance, just pure, uninterrupted power whenever you need it. And with a 30-day return policy and a 1-year warranty, you have peace of mind knowing that Weize stands behind their product. Customer satisfaction is paramount. If you encounter any issues, the Weize support team is ready to assist you directly. Amazon may not handle battery returns, but Weize's dedicated team ensures you're never left without support. So why settle for anything less? Equip your vehicle with the Weize YTX4L-BS high-performance battery and experience the difference in power, reliability, and convenience. It's the #1 choice for a reason, because it's simply the best. Get yours today and power your adventures with confidence. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling parts on Amazon. To keep up with all the top-rated products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.